If you're thinking of trying MetaMonster AI, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in, and one of them could save you hours of wasted time. This just released AI software is already making waves, but it's not perfect. So stick around, because what I'm about to share might change how you use MetaMonster, or whether you use it at all. First things first, you can try MetaMonster AI completely free from the first link in the description. I highly recommend testing it for yourself while it's still in early launch mode. So, what is MetaMonster AI? At its core, it's an all-in-one content generation and digital automation tool designed for creators, marketers, and small business owners. But unlike generic AI tools, MetaMonster combines copywriting, image creation, voiceovers, and even ad script generation, all inside one dashboard. This isn't just another ChatGPT clone with a flashy skin. What really sets it apart is the pre-built workflows. You can go from idea to finished product without switching tools. For example, if you're launching a new product, MetaMonster can generate your landing page copy, create your social media visuals, write email sequences, and even generate product descriptions, all in minutes. I've used hundreds of tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and WriteSonic, and MetaMonster's workflow system is honestly one of the cleanest I've seen for new users. That said, it's not perfect. One thing you should know, while it's powerful, some templates are still being refined. The image generator is solid, but not best in class. So if you're coming from Midjourney, don't expect the same level of visual control. It also leans heavily on GPT-style models, which means you'll still need to fact-check outputs if accuracy matters for your use case. Another major benefit? Speed. MetaMonster AI is fast, way faster than most browser-based platforms I've used. You get outputs in seconds, and the UI is optimized for focus. No distractions, no complex setup. Now here's something most people miss. MetaMonster includes commercial usage rights for most content outputs. That's huge if you're a freelancer or agency owner. You can start selling the content it creates without worrying about licensing. This alone makes it worth checking out if you're building content at scale. And here's the open loop. There's one sneaky feature in MetaMonster that's barely advertised, but once you find it, it can 10x your productivity. I'll show you exactly how to unlock that inside the dashboard in an upcoming walkthrough. So make sure you're subscribed if you want to see how I use it in real-world campaigns. To wrap it up, MetaMonster AI is one of the most promising new AI tools of the year, especially for people who want an all-in-one content engine without the tech headaches. It's not perfect, but it's powerful, intuitive, and ridiculously efficient for what it offers. If you want to try MetaMonster AI for free, grab it from the first link below before it switches to a paid model. And if you're serious about AI tools, I've included my personal list of top recommended AI software in the description. All of them tested after trying thousands of tools over the years. Catch you in the next one.